So it's a beautiful Melbourne spring day, 1st of October. That's beautiful. Plan to do a bit of work on this. Pretty basic. I have this accelerator position sensor. This is for the Toyota ETCS on the 2JZDAD VVTIs. And so what I've done is, you can see those there. The solder on those pins gets pretty shitty and dry joint over time. Now this motor is now probably about more than 20 years old, so yeah, it just ages a lot. And I'll show you where that goes. Hello. So yeah, as you can see there, this little bar here is a mechanical kind of stop to open and close the throttle body, and you can kind of hear it there. But this is only probably hits it at about the last 10% of the throttle opening. So when you pull the throttle, it goes all the way. I can press it with one hand, and yeah, as you can see, it moves relative to the body, and yeah, only the last 10% will hit that stop, but the rest of it is all controlled by the motor inside there, and that is the throttle position sensor. So yeah, let me get that sorted and bolted in. There's not much space because there's two bolts up here that are pretty easy, but underneath a few things to contend with. My ignition coils just kind of loop under there, and then my throttle cable. So just going to be changing these wheels to these because kind of don't match the rears. Let's change it. Swap to this. Nice. Work 11Rs. Advan TC3s on the back. Mint. And red all of the things.